Imagine you could get other people to make the videos for you while you sit back and make money on YouTube without even making videos. Yes, it's possible, and this is by putting together something called a video creation machine. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and the way I'm able to run 9 different YouTube channels is by having 8 of those channels almost fully outsourced in terms of content creation, meaning that other people actually make the videos for those channels. So for 8 out of the 9 different YouTube channels that I run, other people actually make the videos for me. Now, I have a very specific process that goes into putting into place a video creation machine, a video creation assembly line, whatever you want to call it, but basically a system that will turn a video idea into a finished video. So the goal of this system is to put a video idea in one end of the system and then get a finished video out the other end. So the only work that's then left for me in my YouTube operation is just uploading and optimizing the finished videos. And this is what I try to be an absolute expert in, uploading and optimizing videos. So let me break down all of the key roles in a video creation machine. Now, the first role that you're going to want to hire for is a script writer. This is going to be someone who writes the scripts for your YouTube videos. And the first thing to do is, first of all, come up with a video idea yourself. And let's say your video idea is the top 10 most amazing facts about German Shepherds. You come up with a video idea, and then you pass that video idea to the scriptwriter. And the scriptwriter will write about a 1,500 to 2,000 word script about that video. Now, the reason we shoot for that length is because 1,500 to 2,000 words is about the average length to make a 10-minute video for someone narrating that video. Now, this depends how fast the person talks and everything, but that brings us into our next position that we want to hire for. So once the scriptwriter has written their script, now it's time for the voiceover artist to read that script into a microphone and make a very nice recording of that script. Now, depending on how fast the voiceover artist talks, you're going to want your scripts to be anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words long. Now, I recommend at first telling your scriptwriter to make scripts 2,000 words long, just to make sure that your video is longer than 10 minutes long. Now, the longer the video, the better, but I found the sweet spot out of 90% of the videos that I've uploaded with over 1 million views, and I've uploaded over 70 videos across my 9 different YouTube channels with over 1 million views, and 90% of them are within just a couple minutes of that 10-minute mark. And you also want to produce videos longer than 10 minutes because you're going to be able to put multiple ads across your videos, although YouTube has a new rule, and now you can actually put ads on videos that are longer than 8 minutes, but I still recommend producing videos longer than 10 minutes just so you can get a little bit of extra watch time. So you come up with a video idea, the scriptwriter writes the script, and then the voiceover artist records a voiceover for that, and then they're going to pass it to the next person in the machine, and the next person is the video editor. And the video editor will edit the whole video together, including the voiceover and clips that he can find across the internet. Now, he might use stock video websites and databases like Storyblocks, which is what my team actually uses, but there are free options as well, such as Pixabay and Pexels. And he'll edit together a super cool video. He'll find videos, royalty-free videos, so you don't have to deal with copyright or anything like that. He or she will find those videos, edit it together with the voiceover into the final video, and once that video is done and shared with you, you'll be able to upload it. Now, before you can upload it, you need a thumbnail for your video. Now, thumbnails are very easy to make with free softwares like Paint.net and Snappa. However, you can pay someone on Fiverr, literally just $5, to make a thumbnail for you, or find a dedicated thumbnail artist as well, which is what I actually have. I have a dedicated graphic designs team which helps me with all my thumbnails on all of my channels. So again, to cover every single position you're going to want to be hiring for to make a video creation machine where you come up with a video idea and get a finished video out the other end is, first of all, you come up with a video idea, and then you pass that off to the scriptwriter who writes the script, and then they pass it to the voiceover artist who does a voiceover. They pass it to the video editor who finds clips and puts the voiceover into the video and makes a really nice looking video. And then they give it to the thumbnail artist who makes a really high click-through rate thumbnail. And then they finally give it to you to upload and optimize onto YouTube. And the real beauty of putting together a video creation machine like this is the fact that your content creation is outsourced, giving you more time to potentially start working on other channels. So you can have a channel almost fully outsourced, and on top of that, you can run multiple channels at the same time, which is what I actually do. And if you want to discover all the little nitty-gritty details about doing this the correct way, for sure, over the next 90 days, how I run 9 different YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them, click the link in my bio to discover a completely free training in which I'm going to show you all the details along the way. So I'd love to see you at the free training at my link in bio. You're going to get a ton of value for it. You might be wondering, how much should I pay for these people? Where's actually the best places to find quality people to make sure that my videos are quality? For cheap. Like, you can pay as literally as little as $25 a video to get videos that are of high quality made. And in order to do that, you need to find the right people, and I want to show you exactly how to do this. So if you're interested in doing this, DM me YT or click the link in my bio to attend a completely free training. I can't wait to see you at the free training, and feel free to hit me up in the DMs. Just send me a DM saying YT and I will take it from there. So thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.